Have you ever wondered what to do with those old family pictures or the old family videos that you've stored? Well, Windows Movie Maker is a wonderful program that helps you to capture those pictures or videos and show them to your family members or friends. So today our video is going to be on how to create a movie using Windows Movie Maker. First of all, let's select the icon from your desktop. What I've done to save a little time is I've already imported a few pictures into a project that I already have. So what we're going to do is think about the main 3 topics that you would need in order to create your Windows Movie Maker. First of all, capture video, edit movie, and then you're going to finish the movie. What I'm also going to do now is go ahead and open up a project that I've already started, and I've already named this one My Family. And as you can see, I've already imported the pictures and I've already dragged several down to the show timeline. So first of all, what we want to do is go ahead and import the rest of the pictures that I have for this particular movie. And then you can just scroll down to the ones that you already have saved. And in this case, I'm going to select this picture and import. Now I'm going to place this particular picture, click and drag down to the show timeline. And I think I want to move this, instead of having it towards the end, I'm going to just click and drag this all the way over to the beginning. Now you'll notice that these items here, your effects and transitions, they're already located on these pictures, but not on the first one. So next I'm going to show you how to add your video effects and your video transitions. In the Edit Movie section, click on Video Effects. You can choose several that are here. I'm going to choose Ease In. And if you want to see how this works, just simply play, and it shows you how it eases in. I'm going to click and drag down to the star. Next, I'm going to add a transition in this area. That's in the same X section, Edit Movie. And as you can see, there are several that you can choose from. So just pick one, click and drag. You can also resize this to get a better view of what you have. Now the only thing I'm missing right now is a title. So what we're going to do is look here in Edit Movie and make titles or credits. In this case, we want to put a title before the selected clip, and you can also do a title at the beginning. So I'll go ahead and choose at the beginning. So with this, you can also change the animation. You can also change the text, font, and color. I'm going to do the text, font, and color. I want to change the font, and you can choose whichever you like on this one. You can also bold, and I think I'm going to change the color. You might want to make sure that you keep a lighter color, and again, there it shows here. And then I'm going to click Done, and you see it automatically adds my title, but it does not add the effect or transition. So once again, let's go to Effects. I'm going to choose Ease In. Then we're going to go to Transitions and just choose. We have everything that we need in the video except for the credit slide. So we're going to go back to Edit Movie, make titles or credits, and we want a credit at the end. Okay, so now we have our credits. Once again, you can change the font. So I think I'll leave it at this one, bold, and maybe I'll change the color. I am now finished with the information as far as the credit, but I still need to do my effect and transition. So we'll go back to Edit Movie, Effect. We'll try something different this time, and then we'll select Transitions. Again, we'll do something different. Our video is complete. At this moment, you want to go ahead and press play to view it. And as you're viewing this, you see that it shows in the show timeline. It also gives you a running total as far as how long the movie takes. Anytime, you can always either pause or go back to the beginning. And that shows the end of our video. Now at this moment, we want to go ahead and save the video to your computer. Enter the file name, which I have mine as My Family. You're going to choose a place to save it. I'm going to browse, send it to the desktop, and then click Next. We're going to leave this information as is because you want the best quality, and then hit Next. And depending on how big your video is, sometimes it takes a little longer for it to finish processing. This one is not as big as it shouldn't take as long to complete this process. You'll see how it's telling you that your movie is being saved. Anytime you feel that you want to cancel this, if you feel you want to go back and add other pictures, hit cancel. So now you have the option to play the movie when you click finish. In this case, we're going to go ahead and play, and as I finish, it's going to go straight to the movie. you can make it to full screen. And just remember, with Movie Maker, you could go in and add music. You can also add narration. There's several options that you can do to enhance your video. Once your video finishes, you can go back to the normal screen. It goes back to where you started. You can exit, play again, go to the library, or play from the previous list. This time we're going to exit. And at this point, your video is complete. Thank you for watching.